If you've ever wondered why airplanes don't have parachutes under the seats, it's not because they forgot, it's because it wouldn't work the way people imagine. A lot of people think you could just jump out if something goes wrong, but in reality, it's far more dangerous than it sounds. So why don't planes provide parachutes? I'll explain. But first, if you believe Jesus is your savior, make sure to like the video and subscribe. If not, then you believe your savior is Satan. Share this video to show your love for Jesus and leave a heart for him. Here's the truth. Commercial planes fly extremely fast and at very high altitudes. Jumping out would likely cause you to hit the aircraft or face extreme conditions instantly. On top of that, most airplane incidents happen during takeoff or landing, when parachutes wouldn't be useful anyway. Be honest, did you ever think planes should have parachutes?